As the high-stakes campaign for the 2026 TTAADC elections entered its final stretch, the Tipra Motha Party candidate for the 14th Bodhjungnagar-Wakinagar constituency, sitting executive member Runiel Debbarma, showcased significant grassroots support during a massive rally on Saturday.
Sabai nanta pai jagi, wak sama sabai nanta phal jagi. Atal komi kriyo nanta kelai di jadu, rano mokol sindi takas ledi. Mai dul shani bagi hano ta paldi, busharoni tinano ta paldi. Yakshi yagrani boya nota kiriti, ubagrano khabai poito kaidi. Desipano kashudi, kashudi, kashudi. Desipano kebengi, kebengi, kebengi. Beba kebengu no shiba ibu bakale. 5v9, oh 5v9. Kansa 5v9, Bubaga 5v9.
The rally, which saw a large turnout of Tipra warriors and party supporters, focused on key polling centers including 14th and 31st Pachim Maheshpur SP School. Runiel Debbarma interacted with local voters, emphasizing the party's commitment. Addressing the media, Runiel Debbarma exuded absolute confidence in the party's performance. He stated that the People's Pulse indicates a decisive mandate against the opposition. We are on track to win this constituency by a margin of more than 25,000 votes, Runiel Debbarma asserted, citing the party's developmental track record over the last 5 years in the council.
Pachim Maheshpur 31 number 31 number polling station omo Bodhjungnagar-Wakinagar ini sarik jorao kaise himbotok rally khlaile keseng joto je South Arsinogoni eba 31 number polling center ni je para khobjakbai mani joto para joto kami sing dol kai je o amsaini supporter je bubagrana hamjangnai joto warrior rok joto sengra rok miri okra sakra je amsaini srai khonai sikla rok boyesko rok okra sakra tai ani sakchale rok joto sing mili lai sing oro tini rally khlaileka kaisa himbotok rally khlaika tini ni rally ni bisingdi media bo footage na kana oro sijaka je beskangni 12 tarik borok joto amsaini 12 subutar tom 12 sun mising 12 masa koraya ke borok joto rubaina ni samai janglaga dawo sari joro omono sing 14 Bodhjungnagar-Wakinagar takle 25,000 ni bisi budmani ke playing tongo omono ang tini media bisingti bo 31 number polling center je eba South Arsinogor bisini joto lukurongno pipeline hambaya paro kha kamte hamjongya paro khnabo haina hai sini phungjoran simem pike joto polling center wa joto bisium ki himbo to khlai jangnai se
Chini Chini muno narna bagai, uku muku muno matana bagai. Desipano kashudi, kashudi, kashudi. Desipano kebengi, kebengi, kebengi. Beba kebengu no shiba ibu bagale. 5v9, oh 5v9. Kansa 5v9, Bubaga 5v9. Ketung lo sabai nanta pai jagi, wak sama sabai nanta phal jagi.
With polling scheduled for April 12, the TMP leadership is leaving no stone unturned to consolidate its base. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.